Last week, we took this on a bit of an adventure and we reviewed the BetaFPV Meteor65 Wide O4 Lite version. And this week, we've got its younger brother, the 65 Lite. So they're the same, but one's a bit smaller than the other. They're both running 1S. They're both running that DJI O4 Lite wide angle lens. They both pretty much got the same spec apart from different motors and different size props. So the question is it going to be any good? Now, my biggest concern about this is it's going to be underpowered. So over the next couple of days, we're going to film an adventure with it. We'll go to a playground, we'll fly over water with it. But today, we're going to do something really simple and straightforward. We're going to try a couple of power loops, see if it's got power to do and pull out of those power loops. Split S, and then behind me, JJ, is a bin. And I'm going to try and hit a bin gap with it. Whether that's going to happen or not, who knows? But let me show you what we're working with. To make things a little bit more difficult, I'm using the Jumper Smart, which is far too small for my hands. But when you consider these two are just so small and compact, if you're looking for a small compact setup, these might be it. You might be more interested in the Radio Master Pocket, or you might be more interested in the Jumper Bumblebee. But this is just another option that you guys might not have seen because I featured it on the channel 12 months ago. We've got so much stuff in equipment that I thought I'd bring it back out and showcase it rather than flying a 250 quid or a $250 controller. At least that way, you've got budget options as well. Whether we fly this tomorrow will depend on how well Boy Wonder FPV and I fly it today. But there you go. That's what we're dealing with today. So, I don't know. Let's freaking go.
Yay.
Okay, so Meteor65 Pro, and we're using the Jumper Smart as well because we're trying to keep everything nice and light and mobile for this one. It's such a small, light drone that we've decided to bring out a small, light controller as well.
Yeah.
And the Jumper Smart may look a bit tiny in my hands, mainly because it is. But sometimes you can't beat having a little bit of portability.
I thought you were going to say fun then.
Well, always having a bit of fun, but a bit of portability in your setup.
It's a ground.
It's a good thing. That was definitely the ground, but we're doing okay. We're all right. This is the maiden fly of it, by the way. So I'm just trying to feel out. Okay, so Meteor65 Pro Wide Angle HD JJ Jojo C at the playground. Is this going to be child's play? Lots of people have left comments saying how underpowered it is, how not very agile it is, but the majority of people leaving those comments haven't actually flown it. So I respect obviously what people think about it, but until you've actually flown it, it's really difficult to say whether or not it's any good. So that's what we're going to do today. We're going to fly it and we're going to let you know if it's any good or not. And so far, it's agile enough to be around the playground. We showed you yesterday that we was able to do power loops and split S's and all that sort of good stuff.
Oh my god, there's hundreds of people here.
You kidding?
No, we might need to come back. Yeah, there's lots of people. Oh my god!
Where house lining killed this one here, yeah.
Okay, are they on a tour? Yeah, I think they're on a tour. Okay, so we're just going to carry on flying around the playground. As I say, it certainly seems agile enough to me. Yes, it isn't as powerful as the 75, but you've got smaller motors and smaller props, so it's to be expected really. But that doesn't mean that it's, I mean, I came into this very cynical. I came into this thinking, yeah, this is nowhere near going to have enough power. It's going to be a problem. It's going to be problematic. But actually, I've been shocked actually at how it is. Now, don't get me wrong. It's not a crazy powerful 65mm analog with 44,000 kV motors, but at the same time, you can still do pretty cool stuff with it. Now, if you're just flying outside, you might want to get the 75.
Yay!
But then you can even do that, look, and then dive through the trees. So, like I say, it isn't the crazy underpowered machine I think a lot of us were expecting. But it's horses for courses.
It's now.
Okay, thank you. It's choosing the right tool for the right job, isn't it?
Yeah.
And potentially, if you're just going to fly outside, maybe you're going to want the 75. But that doesn't mean that this is bad, and it certainly doesn't mean that it's the underpowered beast that a lot of us have expected it to be. I don't think that's massively underpowered at all. I mean, it's a 1S 65mm. It's never going to be, you know, massively powerful, but
Yeah.
the worry is just how underpowered it was. And actually, we're sitting there with a couple of power loops and a Immelman, and we'll go into a split S in a second. It's fine. Do you know what? This is actually a lot better than what I thought it was. I was very cynical with this, and you guys know I approach a lot of my reviews being very cynical. Like, oh, is this going to be any good? Or is this really going to offer anything over, above and beyond what everybody else offers? Or so on and so forth.
Hang on. If I could just stop next to us.
Yeah, you would have needed to then. But yeah, there is
Like I can jump over the fence. Yeah, he's going long. I think he was just checking his tyres and oh my god, squirrel just ran right past us.
Oh no.
I'm up the tree. What?
Oh, I could have filmed it.
Oh.
So yeah.
I was going really fast and it's in the tree now. Hopefully the drone isn't going to be. That's around. That's almost around.
That's okay.
Right, go for it.
Yes! Bing ups for the win, JJ!
Nice try as well.
Yeah, I think I've just got to not do it so slowly and just trust myself a little bit. Right, I'm going to come back and land on 3 points. Okay, so let's go and chase the boys again. Now there's a boat over here, so we're going to go and have a quick look at this boat. Okay, so we did the boat as well. Now, I think we've got enough gravy for today. Where are the children? Let's see if I can hit go near the children. Let's try them again. Let's try again. Let's try a nice, that's it. Lift your legs up. Yes. Oh, that was lovely. Okay. So, yeah, we have got a bent prop and we have got vibrations now. So, I'm just going to have a quick look in this bando. Now, I'm not going to go inside because I've not taken any of this footage off. But we are just going to have a look around it. Yeah, that bent prop is causing all sorts of vibrations. So if you've got vibrations on the footage now, it's my fault for being a shit pilot.
Yeah, we're what?
I could probably perch on that ledge. I'm not going to, just because, just because I haven't got, yeah, exactly.
The canopy might come off.
The canopy might come off, and I haven't got the footage off it, so.
And do you have turtle mode on it?
I do have turtle mode on it, but if the canopy comes off, I'm screwed.
Yeah.
Power to do that. And hopefully create some magical. I'm just watching my LQ and my RSSI.
Yeah, and make sure the controller doesn't die.
Yeah.
The controller does a what?
Imagine if I got RX lost now.
Yeah. Controller loses signal to the drone, so it drops.
And obviously we don't have GPS.
I knew it!
You knew it! He's been chasing this paraglider for hours, haven't you, Boy Wonder? I
saw it incredibly far away. And now it's like right above us. Can't believe the spot that.
So this is the Meteor65 Pro O4 Wide, O4 Light, JJ Jojo C.
Oh yeah, I can see it now. Oh, it's going down. I think he's going to land here.
Absolutely stunning footage this morning. Over the canal. Through the bando. Now then, better come back because I'm on -90. And the signal is behind a building. I know that the boys this morning, Boy Wonder and Little Wonder, can see the drone. and they are keeping me informed of any problems, but the signal was behind a building.
Say hi to the paraglider. No.
No, that would be illegal, wouldn't it?
Yeah. Is it?
Manned aircraft, mate.
Yeah. Oh, I thought it was because you can't go too. So if you fail safe up there, you're right next to him.
Yeah, smashed him in the face.
You'll get a free drone. You would get a free drone. You would get a free release drone. Well, is it released?
No, this has been released now, yeah.
Oh.
So you do get a fair bit of prop wash when you come in into your own wash like that. But again, it's to be completely expected. I think if you come into this, knowing what to expect, I'll be honest. I mean, I'll sum this up in the outro shortly, but this is good. This is fun. This is very, very capable, and this is perhaps not what you'd expect in a good way. Now, what I'm going to do in a second is I'm going to set Boy Wonder and Little Wonder onto the park, and I'm going to go and fly around them whilst they're on the apparatus.
Or whatever, anything.
Or whatever, anything.
Did you say?
In the meantime, I'm just going to go back down the canal once more. Chilling with the ducks. You're right, ducks! Yeah. Just remember, I'm the king of the sky.
It would be nice if they were chicks.
It'd be nice if there was chicks.
Yeah, those are playing bombs. Like baby ducks. Oh yeah, there is.
Oh, I thought you meant girls, Little Wonder. I thought you was looking for a girlfriend.
What?
So that was our review then of the Meteor65, and we've kept it a little bit more standard rather than our adventure videos, although we have shown that it is capable of doing an adventure, just because we've only just done the 75 and this is more of a comparison between the two. And the honest answer to the people saying, is it underpowered? I believe it's underpowered. No, but you've also got to remember it is what it is, and it's a 1S 65mm tiny whoop with a digital VTX. Is it going to fly like a 65mm high KV analog? No, it isn't, but it's not designed for that. You can do tricks, you can do power loops, you can do split S's, you can go 200-300 foot in the air without any problems whatsoever. You can chase canal boats, you can fly around playgrounds, and it's absolutely brilliant at what it does. I'll be honest, my advice to anybody saying, should I get this or the 75, is going to be relatively what I say when it comes to tiny whoops anyway. If you're flying mainly indoors, get the 65. It is more than powerful enough. If you're flying outdoors, get the 75. We're on a calm day today, but when it gets windy, I'm going to imagine it's going to start to struggle a little bit. But it doesn't struggle. It flies really well, and it is absolutely crazy fun for the price. So I'd highly recommend it. I'll leave a link in the description down below. It'll be an affiliate link, blah, blah, blah. If you want to help the channel, there's all sorts of links down there to Patreon, to Discord, to members, to whatever you want to do. If you just want to enjoy the video, just do me a massive favor. You don't have to do any of that if you don't want, but just make sure you like the video, comment on the video, and hype the video. And if you can share it as well, that'll really, really help us. We've enjoyed this. This is fun. This is going to stay in my bag. Until next time, peace. YouTube and I have had a chat, and we believe that this is the video that you'll like the most. So watch it and let me know if they're right.